An audit report is the final and most critical deliverable of the audit process. It communicates findings, risks, and recommendations in a structured format, ensuring that management and stakeholders can take appropriate action. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. The purpose and importance of an audit report. 2. Key sections of an effective audit report. 3. Best practices for writing a clear and actionable report. By following these guidelines, auditors can create reports that drive improvements, enhance compliance, and provide value to the organization. 1. The purpose and importance of an audit report. An audit report documents the results of an audit, ensuring transparency and accountability. Why an effective audit report matters: provides clear, fact-based findings to management, ensures compliance with regulatory and industry standards, helps identify risks, inefficiencies, and opportunities for improvement, guides organizations in developing corrective and preventive actions. 2. Key sections of an effective audit report. A well-structured audit report includes the following key sections. Introduction. Purpose of the audit, e.g., compliance, supplier evaluation, internal review. Scope of the audit, departments, processes, time period covered. Audit methodology, document review, interviews, sampling techniques. Executive summary. High-level summary of key findings. Major strengths and nonconformities identified. Audit findings. Objective evidence supporting each finding. Documents, interviews, process reviews. Classification of findings. Major nonconformities, minor nonconformities, opportunities for improvement. Root cause analysis, if applicable. Explanation of why nonconformities occurred, e.g., training gaps, process failures. Methods used for analysis, 5 whys, fishbone diagram. Recommendations and corrective actions. Responsibilities and timelines for implementation. Suggested process improvements and preventive measures. Conclusion and follow-up plan. Summary of the audit outcome. Timeline for corrective action implementation and follow-up audits. 3 best practices for writing a clear and actionable report. Use clear and concise language. Avoid technical jargon and write in plain, professional language. Prioritize findings based on risk. Highlight major issues first to ensure they receive immediate attention. Keep the report objective and neutral. Avoid assigning blame. Focus on solutions and improvements. Key takeaways. An effective audit report presents findings clearly, factually, and actionably. Using concise language, objective evidence, and prioritized recommendations ensures the report is useful and impactful. By mastering audit report writing, auditors can help organizations improve compliance, reduce risks, and enhance operational efficiency. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to conduct follow-up audits to ensure corrective actions are effectively implemented.